Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your solar portfolio is losing 2% production every year. Not from degradation, not from soiling, from drift. And because it's gradual, you don't notice until year 5 when you've lost 2.8 million euros in cumulative revenue. Performance drift is the silent killer of solar portfolios. It's not panel degradation expected and modeled, not weather variation measurable and correctable, not acute failures visible and fixable. Drift is the slow accumulation of micro issues, tracker calibration shifting zero point 0.5 degrees per year, soiling patterns worsening as cleaning cycles lengthen, inverter clipping thresholds creeping up, string impedance rising from connector corrosion, each issue alone 0.3 to 0.5% loss, together 2 to 3% annual performance erosion. The worst part? Standard O&M doesn't catch drift because month-to-month changes are within normal variance. Drift control requires continuous baseline comparison with anomaly detection. First, AI-driven baseline tracking. We don't compare this month to last month. We compare every day's performance to a physics-based model that accounts for weather seasonality and expected deviations from trip signals, set, trip validation. Thermal imaging every 90 days catches drift before it compares. Tracking shifts, emerging hotspot clusters, swing gradient changes. Third, automated our AI one with automated trend the gap between where your assets should be and where it is. One FW portfolio had been operating for 4 years. Owner store performance was stable because year-over-year changes were small. Our drift analysis revealed is 98%. Action 91.2%. Expected 0.5% degradation, 93.3%. Drift loss 2.1% compounded over 4 years equals 1.6 million euros cumulative lost revenue. Root causes tracking calibration and drifted 1.2 degrees, 1.1% loss. Soiling cycle stroke from 30 to 5 days, 0.7% loss. String voltage imbalance, automatic conclusion, 0% loss. We built a correction plan 6 months later. P was back to 93.4%. Euro 380k annually. Drift doesn't announce itself. It compounds silently until it's a crisis. Visit ClearSpot AI and request drift update. Get 36-month drift analysis with baseline comparison. AI only detection. Drift indicators. True validated identification. And a correction roadmap with projected recovery stop the drift before it becomes a seven-figure problem. ClearSpot.ai because losses are still losses. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smart decisions.